Monsoon is at its peak and I mostly consider Maharashtra monsoons as my driving season. I remember my father used to carry a flask full of tea on these drives and I used to consume my share from his teacup by dipping Parle-G biscuits. Well, this video is not about my memories but my experience with Clear Vue. Clear Vue from Turtle Wax is a rain repellent. This particular bottle was recommended and given to me by a friend who was earlier using Rain-X. So we have to start this off with a clean and dry glass surface. I have used the regular 3M shampoo for the first time application and later used the Motomuck motorcycle cleaner for deep cleaning. You can wipe off the cleaning solutions with the help of a wiper followed by a wet microfiber cloth for wiping and later for drying to clean off any cleaner residue. If you have a really dirty glass area, then you can also clay it for a clean prepped surface. Next, we have to take a clean and dry microfiber or application cloth and get it absorbed with the Clear Vue solution. Now using that, we have to apply the Clear Vue solution over the glass surface area in circular and overlapping motion. Within minutes, the glass surface will haze up and that is when we have to begin with the second application of Clear Vue in the same circular and overlapping motion. Now after waiting for a couple of minutes, the final layer can be wiped off by sprinkling some water and wiping the surface with a clean and dry cloth. The water beading effect can already be noticed at this step. Please note that this is a silicone based product but it also contains alcohol in the form of IPA as a solvent, so avoid its contact with rubber parts such as wipers and door beadings. Now coming to my experience, well, the result is visible on screen. Earlier the water on the windshield used to form a water sheet hampering the visibility, but now they form into these tiny beads and they run down or up depending upon the car's speed along with the force and direction of the wind. I did drive in heavy rain and fog and just to show it on camera, I have kept the wipers on long wipe interval. Still the visibility was much clear, a lot better than what the camera has captured as you can see through the small beads of water. Now this is where the review and the experience sharing should have ideally ended as the product has delivered what it claimed. But long-term reviews usually come with a lot of ifs and buts, but in this case I was curious to know how long does the Clear Vue lasts. And the answer to that is really difficult as a lot depends upon the use condition. In my case, I would say I needed the second application on the windshield after 15 to 20 days of almost daily use in the rain, while the glass on the rear hatch was still holding up well. I also found something particular to our Indian driving conditions where a vehicle overtaking or driving in front of you will pass on water sprays which will also contain mud. Later on you can find this on the windshield. Unfortunately, we cannot expect products like Rain-X or Clear Vue to act on this and honestly they never claim to do so. Coming to Clear Vue versus Rain-X, I found them to be similar while my friend says Clear Vue has performed better for him. I found these products to be perfect for our 3 to 4 months of monsoon where I am okay with reapplying it every 20 days at least on the windshield, which should easily make this 100 ml bottle last for this season. So that's it for this video and I hope you guys have liked it.